Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through Instagram Notes. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now Instagram is testing out a brand new feature called Instagram Notes, where you can leave notes to any one of these various different users on Instagram so that you don't need to send them a direct message themselves, but they can read this note. Now I'm going to open up Safari here, and I just typed in Instagram Notes. And if you scroll down and tap on this, how do I share a note with people on Instagram? You can see, unfortunately, at the very top, it says this feature isn't available in your location. So it'll, I guess, determine wherever your location is and just say maybe this specific region or country or state doesn't have that notes feature right now. They're still rolling it out to a bunch of different people, but I don't have that feature yet. So you could always go here and see if you have that notes feature. You can, of course, also just update the Instagram app and then open up the app, and then you'll want to type or tap on the little messages icon at the top right here. And at the very top, you'll see a notes icon where you can add notes. But let me walk you through what it looks like and how to use it. So I'm going to go back here and just go to this TechCrunch post right here. So you can go through here and it shows you exactly what that app icon or what that leave a note icon looks like. You can see notes, leave a note, share a thought for people to see here. So basically it looks like you can just share any kind of note, and maybe anybody in your DMs or messages on Instagram would be able to see that. It doesn't necessarily give us that information, but it says notes can be 60 characters long. According to screenshots, users won't get a notification about notes, but will be able to see them for 24 hours. So then if you scroll down a little bit further, it says leave a note here, and you can leave this note at the very top. It says people won't be notified when you leave a note. You can see their note for 24 hours and reply with a message. So, and then you can share it with close friends, followers that follow you back. So it's basically a way to leave a kind of written message to all of your followers. If they want to view that, you can ask a question, they can respond to it if they want to respond to that note. And of course, you only have 24 hours to do so, and then it disappears. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.